This week started here with this candle. It was a bullish indecision candle where we can see the price continue to rise in value in the following days. And we can see the next day the price formed a bullish breakout here above 1.086 and then above 1.09 and reached 1.095. A resistance, a supply zone here where the price has bouncing from here, and we can see the price returning back down for the next 2 days. Then on a Tuesday, the price formed this bearish breakout, suggesting further decline in value. The price tried to move down to the support level, to the buying zone here, but the price could not manage to do that. This demand zone was not reached. The price returned on a Friday, trying to move higher again, trying to make a bullish breakout above 1.09. Could not be successful, but the price managed to make a bullish breakout above 1.086. The weekly time frame shows me that we have closed this week as a bullish. In the previous week, the price formed this strong bullish candle, continued this week, and also the price formed this bullish breakout above 1.086, which means a bullish strength on the market. The monthly time frame, we are in the middle of the month, so we will see how the price will behave until the end of the month. But very important information is this, that the price forms a bullish breakout about 1.059, about 1.07, which are currently acting as a support level, which is also very important. Now for the next, if the price managed to close above this area of resistance, which means around 1.086, it will be also a very important information for the bulls if the month closes above, which means the price will return in this area around this support and resistance level. Above it will be around 1.1 and below 1.06. We can see that here. Now it's very important to see how the price will behave, but for now it looks much more bullish than it is bearish, because we have a weekly time frame that has formed this bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value. We can see that here, targeting 1.095. Then we have a daily time frame, which is also has invalidated this bearish breakout going downside, but it is forming a bullish breakout, suggesting further rise in value. So 1.090 is the next target I'm waiting for. On a Monday, the price will reach next week. If the price manages to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, above 1.09, the next will be 1.095, an area of supply zone which has been reached this week also. So for now, on the daily, weekly, and also monthly, everything suggests we are in the bullish mode. And at 4-hour time frame, we will see also how this looks. The price tried to move up, trying to form a bullish breakout, was not so successful. We can see that here the price could not return and continue to rise in value, but we can see on the 4-hour time frame we have a bearish breakout, suggesting further decline down to 1.086. so this is something I'm waiting to see. The price will try to reach this area of resistance, of support, sorry, and then probably bounce back up, but we'll see what happens on a Monday after the price starts to move. And 4-hour time frame and especially 1-hour time frame will be a very important ones. We can see that in order to shows us where is the next direction. For now, I'm still bullish oriented, and I'm waiting for the price to reach 1.09 as the next resistance level. This is the target for the next week, because I'm more bullish oriented than I'm bearish. But before that happens, I would like to see the price forming here a bullish breakout above 1.088 on a 1-hour time frame, and we can see that on a 4-hour time frame is 1.088, also the resistance level that needs to be broken in order to rise in value. So, for example, these bullish breakouts and also bearish breakouts that has been formed on the market is shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. They are informed when the bullish or bearish breakout happens, and also what is the target. So feel free to check also the link below in the description for more details. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.